You have probably been in a busy street and have picked up the distinctive smell of stale sweat. Body odor is caused by a natural process involving sweat that occurs on the skin surface. Sweat is odorless, but if left on the skin, the bacteria that normally lives there acts on it and breaks it down.
They want to use the products that these glands are producing, and when they break them down, this is what now the products of their breakdown, this is what produces the smell.
Some areas of the skin, such as armpits and the genitals, are more likely to produce body odor because these glands produce proteins and oily substances that bacteria feed on. Sweat anywhere else in the body is harmless, as it is usually salty water.
There are also other conditions that can cause odor. Some metabolic disorders, things like diabetes, some diseases like diabetes would actually cause some people to have a bad odor.
Body odor may be influenced by diet. Some types of food such as curry, garlic and strong spices contain chemicals that may be excreted through the skin. Strangely, many people with bad odor may not even be aware that they have it. Luckily, it can be treated easily, and a medical diagnosis is never really necessary. Well, here are a few tips to keep you smelling your best. Have a personal hygiene regimen that includes taking showers at least twice a day and taking lots of water. Secondly, you can wear loose-fitting clothes that can absorb sweat, especially when it's hot. Body odor always lingers on clothes, so wash your clothes every day and never repeat the same outfit without washing.
If you notice that you have this excessive sweating, always use antiperspirants, use deodorants, okay, and avoid a complete exposure, a lot of exposure to heat.
Eat healthy foods that contain loads of fiber, whole grain, wheat and green leafy vegetables. For smelly feet, wash and dry between the feet adequately and wear well-ventilated footwear to let the feet breathe. Sheila Sendeyo, Citizen Weekend.